And what we got today on the channel for you, it's a cranberry sausage roll. Let's get straight on with the recipe. 170 grams of sausage meat, and that's 2 spoonfuls of cranberry. So we're going to blend them together. So I'm now going to put this into a piping bag. Also for your sausage rolls, you need some pastry. Now these are 5-inch squares and around about 3 millimeters thick. Lay them out. All we need to do is just wash the areas here with egg wash and just pipe on your sausage meat. And then just fold these over. Just make sure you keep your sausage meat inside the pastry. Now on the top of here, we're going to put a little scissor mark along the top, like that. And once again, get yourself a fork and just fork the edge, like this. Just push it in. So we'll put these straight onto a tray. This has got some baking parchment on. So all we need to do now is cover these with egg wash. It's as simple as that. So all we need to do now is rest these for around about 25 minutes. That's for the pastry to recover. Now, in that meantime, you can put your oven on. Your oven temperature wants to be 200 Celsius. And we're going to be baking these for around about 25 minutes, give or take. But there you go, folks. The sausage rolls have just come out of the oven. I've cut them up, and this is the cranberry one. So let's have a look inside and see what the cranberry one is all about. Got your bits of cranberry in there, and your sausage meat. Pastry's baked nice. That is a lovely looking sausage roll. Well, for the taste test, folks, it's cranberry. Cranberry's cranberry, isn't it? But this cranberry might be a bit different to the normal cranberry. Smells nice. That is absolutely lush. And this was just a basic cranberry from the supermarket. Hey. But there again, I can't tell you the brand because obviously you know your favourite cranberry. But that is absolutely lush. Oh, hey, I like my cranberry, but that really does tick every box. Starting to wonder which is my favourite now. Anyway, if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget to check out down in the description, because you'll find lots of playlists of more recipes I've done. Easy and hard. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!